I'm Kevin Putman. I'm director of the air conditioning department here at CSN. We've included everything within the heating and air conditioning refrigeration trade in this building. So we've got everything from residential systems up to boilers, chillers, critical systems that you might see in computer server rooms. We've got a food service part that we deal with ice machines and refrigerators, walk-ins.
I'm John. I'm a student at CSN. I'm also a HVAC technician here at Harry Reid International Airport. I've been out here for about a year. I started as an intern, which I've got from CSN. Come out here and start sharpening my skills as a student and as a future tech. They offered me a full-time position to stay out here.
Any student that comes here, we're going to treat them like they don't know anything about HVAC. Right, so we start from the beginning. We start about the basic refrigeration cycle, the mechanical side, and then we go into the electrical side, and then we build from there.
I got a job before I even finish or complete my program. I'm working in Switch right now, and I have a lot of students got hired from different trade schools. It's a huge difference between what study or what learn here than other people come from different schools.
There's a lot of schools out there that are online. They don't have the hand skills. They don't have the labs. Here, we have our lectures, then we go in the lab, and we actually go through the process. We repeat it, repeat the tools, repeat everything so they learn it.
We got an advisory committee. They give us a lot of feedback on what is needed out in the industry, and we try to incorporate that into what we teach and get them ready to join the workforce.
My commercial class 200, that's basically the small boxes, wine coolers, floral coolers, ice machines, and then we get into wiring of the walk-ins, controls. Then my second commercial class, we get actually into the big walk-in units.
A lot of our instructors are working steel in the field, so they'll come straight from a rooftop into the classroom and teaching students perhaps something that just happened that day, something new that they figured out.
Being an HVAC technician in Las Vegas, your opportunities are endless. I partnered up with Patriot Air Conditioning. I was one of their first employees and actually purchased half of the business later on down the road. In Las Vegas, we are always short on technicians. Someone's always looking to grab a good technician. If you know what you're talking about, HVAC is definitely the career path for you. It's very, very lucrative here in Las Vegas.
I got answers that I needed. I got the affordability that I needed out of CSN, and I had a serious program that was committed to the trade. The instructors at CSN in the HVAC department almost bring me to tears how involved they are in your studies. If you're putting in the energy, you're putting in the work, and you're asking questions, those instructors, they'll bend over backwards to make sure you have every resource that the school can offer to you.
Coming to CSN, you feel like they teach you what employer wants, and they teach you everything that you need. And when you get there, you feel like you're ready, like you already have an experience, even just in school.
If you're good with your hands, this is a good trade for you because we go in there, we learn how things work, we fix them, and at the end of the day, we have accomplished something that you can tell people you have done.
The HVAC career field it's an amazing career field, and it's in high demand, all over, not just the state, not just Vegas, but all over the world.
So it doesn't matter if you're 18 coming into the trade or 40s or 50s, looking for that new challenge in your life, this is a good trade to get into.
Because I have a degree, and that's helped me a lot, and I feel better, always like, oh, I went to CSN, like I feel like I'm proud of it, yes.